Quinnipiac with Daniel and Jay. Working at Daniel, Jay, and me and Jason. We're all from Connecticut. Boom. So I'll probably see you when I compete because I have to go scramble. Okay, my 3x3 heat just got called, and like everyone like that's kind of decent is in it. So that's gonna be fun. Hey gang, we're here in the waiting room. Oh, I'm getting the Snapchat. Wait, you want? Let's see that. Oh,
I saved it.
Okay, so it's Chris. Oh, okay. So.
Do you know the Tondo class?
No.
I'm like genuine.
Oh. Basically, is it S6EF Prime soon?
What? It wasn't even.
Oh, I know that one. I just can't recognize it. So yeah, what are you guys hoping for?
Yeah.
Thanks, Kim. That was bad. Ah. 8 seconds. I just finished 3x3. I got like an 8.9 average, plus 2 out of like 8.6. It wasn't really that good. Daniel almost got sub 8 and then got really nervous, so that sucks. Kim, what'd you get? What'd you get?
Like 9.5.
Kim is really fast.
Like, I don't even know what I was doing on the last solve. I was like doing my UOH thing. Like,
why?
I don't know. I was just like nervous, but I wasn't nervous. I just did stupid stuff.
I wasn't like that nervous until like the end of each solve. They got donuts, but they didn't save any for me. Yeah. Hey, heck you! Ow. Fish. Okay, so we just got called up for 4x4.
What's poppin', fam squad? It's your boy, Logang, Dad.
What? Okay. Hey gang, we just did 4x4.
I did bad.
I also did pretty bad. I probably got 4th, which is a little bit of a rip, but like it's 4x4. Do I really care? No. 4x4 is dumb. Okay, show us your vertical leap. No. Let's go over to the basketball here. No.
I mean, I could definitely grab the top. Like, I don't want to.
Come on, Ben. Show them your skills.
No.
Ben Marlin, Keeping Universe, my guy. I'll give you a high five.
I don't want a high five.
Oh, wow. Watch Jay do one-handed. Jay is very fast at this. Oh, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Jay, move your elbow. I can't see. No, your right elbow. That's your left, honey.
Honey?
Yes, that's my wife.
Yeah, facts.
You don't even have a wife.
Oh, bet. I'm joking.
And you will never have one.
Smile for the camera. Wait, that was great.
Okay, wait, I need
Hey
to
Ben,
get this. Ready?
smile for the camera.
Wait, that's wait, it's cubing.
Look, so when you go here to here to here, look, you
No, you cannot get a Hoya.
oh, that was so good.
Do it again.
Okay, so here. Or you this. Look, this is optimal. You do that. Even though I do that, like, actually.
Whoa. Ben Marlin, you're really good at blind.
Wait.
What do you have to
Wait,
say?
I can solve Rubik Cube close eye. So look, so we have this scramble, right?
What do you take?
You do what I close! Okay, so I'm gonna solve the floppy cube. I've heard a lot of great things about it from my favorite YouTubers. So first you get into cube shape because it's basically just a square one. And then you do boom boom and then boom boom. And I solved it like 2 minutes ago. Okay.
Probably took you guys.
Okay. So I just have 2 pieces left to go.
Are you doing OH?
No.
It's not mine. It's some kid that was here already.
And boom! I solved it. Subscribe for more floppy cube walkthroughs. We're gonna go compete in OH.
But I would have gotten that I got extra, so it would have been like a 25 average.
Oh.
But because it.
Oh, Kim. I just did OH, and now it's time for 3 blind. I have to judge first, and I have to compete. I'm really hoping to get some PBs because I have not gotten any PBs thus far today, and blind is definitely an event that I have a good chance of getting some PBs in. Okay, so Kim is doing feet with her shoes, and Chris is bullying Daniel while he's attempting to do feet. Oh, that's what you were trying to. Oh. But yeah, Kim, how is your feet with shoes going?
Probably faster than you doing it normally.
Jesus. And poor Daniel is just trying. All he wants to do is do feet.
Wait, I'll finish
but Chris is being a jerk.
I'm finishing it. I almost fell on Kim. That would have been like.
Wait, do you guys? So, Kim, do you want to sit with me?
Okay.
Yay! I have friends, but not actually. Oh.
Okay, I can't turn.
I just finished FMC. My boy Daniel just like snagged an FMC podium out of nowhere. I got a 34. It was like super easy start, and then I couldn't find anything, so I got stuck for a while, which was really, really annoying. But it's fine. Congrats. It's Pyra time. I have to scramble, so that's gonna be fun. Hey gang, it's time to do Pyraminx. I'm actually kind of nervous. I don't know why. I just want PB average. Hey Jay, say hi. Okay. Ready? 8 seconds.
What you say? That you only meant well, 'cause you did. What you say? That it's all for the best, 'cause it is.
+2.
I got a 2.6 on that.
Yeah, that was. No, I +2 on a PB average.
I don't want an extra. That was like a.
Yeah, I got.
Put that in your face.
Manual.
Alright, let's go think about it.
What is your name?
I beat the KSN.
I can't turn. No, my hand just.
Daniel! Daniel!
I forgot the NS case. Like that easily could have been like a low 3. So we just finished. Jeez, I forgot where I left off. Pyra. We finished Pyra and Scube. My hands are really sweaty, so I could not turn in Scube. And I +2 out of Pyraminx PB average, but I still won. But I'm kind of mad. The last scramble was super duper easy, but my hands were shaking a lot. Yeah, we're warming up for square one. This is Daniel's little brother, Diego.
Say hi to camera.
Aww. He's really cute. That is his little sister. Aww. They're really cute. Hey, Kim B.
You're like James.
Yeah.
Tim asked for his autograph.
Hey, bro.
Oh, do you want Diego to be in the vlog?
I already put him in the vlog. I feel like we haven't thought this through. Like the organizers did not. I feel like the organizers did not think this through because all the people who can like probably scramble square one are in this heat. I'm just panning around. SMH ignorant Sean.
Wait, even Jackie and Sam, like they just scrambled.
Yeah. So that this is really not gonna work well.
What do you get in Scoob?
Yeah, I should have misaligned.
Whoa.
That's the best pound salt I've ever had. It's actually sweet.
For some reason, I thought you were How many sauces you got?
Oh! That's PB. I got 10.
What are you gonna look at?
That's stupid. Someone said.
No.
Nice. Is this the 5th or the extra?
So basically, score 1 took forever because no one knew how to scramble. Then I got really dumb scrambles, so I got PB average. And now they're splitting 3x3 finals into 2 groups, and they started to integrate it with square 1.
Because this comp is retarded.
Fact.
This comp is so bad.
It's a fun comp, but like it's not very well organized. $8.54.
It wasn't good. It's okay.
Okay, so the comp is over. Podium high five. Boom. Wait, how many podiums did you get?
4.
Oh, whoa, I got 3. Yeah, I probably could have gotten more, but this is a good comp. A little hiccups here. Yes, a little really hectic. Square 1 was kind of a nightmare, but other than that, it was a lot of fun.
Nightmare.
Scrambler's nightmare.
It's pretty nice with solvers.
Oh yeah, facts. Yeah, that was really easy scrambles.
I was like an M2 off this.
Yeah. I'm so lucky that I actually podiumed in 3x3. My average was so bad.
Kim, you're going to Q4.